Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's mukbang is about Alfredo pasta with prawns and lobster tail. Okay, I'm looking at myself. I'm looking at myself on the screen. I look like a teacher from back in the 70s with my glasses and my outfit. Anyway, just stop talking about me, okay? Oh, no. Such a joke. Okay. Anyway, there we go. There's the lobster tail here, right here. So anyway, the pasta. I mean, what? The lobster tail. Yeah, it's gonna make me. Yeah. Anyway, and I got the prawn. Yeah, I made a big lot of it so I can, so the kids can have some. And then they don't say, "Oh, how come you only did cook for your mukbang?" Anyway, okay. Okay, I'm going to edit that out. Anyway, guys, I've already given my thanks to loving God for this food. Okay, and it's time to get it going. Okay, I don't want to give you guys the pasta. I want to give you guys a prawn. Can you see it? Yeah, that's your fellas. Anyway, it's a bit warm. Okay. Ah la la. Anyway, what's your father's dinner today? This is going to get messy, guys. This is going to get messy. Okay. So I'm going to get this out. Okay. I cut it in half so it can be easy to get in there. Oh, look at that, guys. Okay, dip it in there. And that's how you do it. Well, it should be out. And right out. Wait, another prawn. Oh, have a look, guys. Can you see it? There's prawn, lobster tail, and I've got flat parsley in there, chives, oh. 2 days time, give me a fob. In 2 days time, I'll be in Samoa. Yeah. So, give me time to go back and have a finish up my little visit from last time. So what's your fella's dinner? Oh, look at it. So many prawns. I didn't know I had so much prawns in here. But it's alright. Nice. It just rips right out. Nice. It's finished. I don't think I need tissues. I think I need wipes. Ah, yeah. Mm. 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 Oh, guys, I've been, oh, wait, I've been seeing, like, some cool videos lately. Mm. Mm. You know what's missing? Garlic bread. You know why I don't have it? Because I forgot to buy it. Mm. Wait. Mm. Mm. I forgot to buy it, guys. I forgot to buy it. Mm. Geneva, you want some pasta? Geneva's been my bodyguard. She's over there. In the corner. Let's sit over here. Okay, guys, I got to tell you guys something. Okay. Someone asked me to have my husband do a mukbang with me. So I asked him. I said, there's a request for you to do a mukbang with me. Would you do it? He didn't even think long and hard about it. He just said, yeah, okay. Excuse me, I was just joking. Just joking. Anyway, so, guess what the mukbang is going to be? Some yummy to some, but not for me. So, this is what it's going to be. I'm just letting you know in advance. It's going to be oink 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 oink. What was it? Huh? It's oink oink. Yeah, that's what it's going to be. And I won't be doing it. I'll be doing my own mukbang right beside it. You can really taste the pepper in here. It's lovely. These prawns. These prawns are so good. I remember my uncle in Samoa, he used to eat the shell and all. My poor uncle. Oh, nice cordial. You know what? Earlier, this pasta was like runny and there's cream everywhere. But I had to wait till my mum finished watching her movie. I had to wait till my mum finished watching her movie, and then her, I'm letting her go to her room. I do my mukbang. And that's why it's like a stiff, not runny how it should be. Yeah. See, I love the tail, Faye. Come right out. Just wondering if my mum wants it. It's about, what's the time? Okay, it's 20 past 7. Okay, my mum will probably want to watch another movie soon. So, gotta hurry up. Gotta go pick up my daughter soon. She's at work. Yeah, her name's Talofa. She said that I have to make sure that I turn up and pick her up. Big burp. Anyway, far out. See? I waited for ages for my mum to go finish her movie. I was going to come on, movie, finish. And my daughter, she put on the movie. She put on a long movie, not a short program or something, you know. No, a long movie like this, not a small program. No, my daughter just wanted me to wait and wait and wait and tick tock, tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Anyway, guys, I got a few shoutouts, right? No, actually it's 5. I've got 5. Okay, I'm going to talk about this person. His name is Jello Guy. Okay, he's from Auckland. So, he sits in his car and does his mukbang. And I tell you what, the food he eats is a lot of my favourites. So, I saw him eat fried bread, right, and mussel fritter, right? Fried bread, mussel fritter, and an egg on top. Do you know what? I bought one of those from Motara Market, right? So delicious. Guess how much it was? $10. $10. I was thinking, man, I could make heaps of those at home if I wouldn't. But no. It's always tastier when someone else makes it. True story. True story. Anyway, so that guy, Jello Guy, he does his mukbangs in his car, guys. Go and check him out. He's got roughly about 700 subscribers, and I'm sure we can help him, you know, lift it up a bit. Yeah, I'm sure he'll like to visit as well, you know. So, and there's a guy named Jerome. That's my son's name. His name is Jerome Lopa. Okay. So he commented on my videos, and I appreciate that. Thank you very much, Jerome. That's my son's name. Here's another one too. It's OG Lua. Okay. It's OGE Lua. So I think it's OG. Do you think it's OG? Okay. And yes, I want to welcome back Tama and Nicole. Guys, I've been waiting for you guys for ages. Welcome back. I'm so happy. And they're going to start doing mukbangs all the time. Well done, guys. Well done. And I'm just happy they're back. And thank you very much for shouting me out, guys. I really appreciate it. I didn't expect it. I was just happy that you guys have come back. Well, thank you very much, Tama and Nicole. I appreciate it. And there's Maria Mitchell. Maria, I want to say thank you very much. You know, because you comment, you know, on a lot of my videos, nearly all of them. I appreciate it very, very much, Maria. Thank you very much. I want to ask you guys something, please. If you guys haven't seen the Tanania family, I want to help, you know, at least whatever my contribution would be by asking you guys, if you guys haven't subscribed to the Tanania family. I always get the wrong. Hey, it sounds good, like a beat. Anyway, the Tinania family, okay, please. They need to get to 1,000. You know, they put in so much work to do their videos. So I think recognition is, you know, needed here for those guys, please. And Vinny Vlog, thank you very much for shouting me out. Because he done bisupo and spaghetti. He cooked it and then ate it at the end. I done a video similar, so that's why he shouted me out, because, you know, it's something that I had done as a mukbang, and then he had made it. Okay, so if you guys like eating it but you don't know how to actually make it, go and see Vinny Vlogs and he will show you guys. Okay, I would put all the corned beef in with its oil, yeah, because to me it just adds more flavour. But I like the way Vinny done it too, because he took out the oil. So go and have a watch. Vinny Vlogs, guys. Okay. I appreciate you guys, you know. We, Polytube, appreciate you guys. You know, if it wasn't for you guys, we don't even have any visitors to come and visit us, you know, to our vlogging, to our video. But anyway, I'll be going to Samoa, so I'll be, you know, like, vlogging over there. I always say vlogging, vlog, Heidi. It's vlogging, eh? Anyway, normally I'll stop my eating and then do the shout out, but because I have to go around and pick up my daughter's thing, I had to mix it in. Yeah, well, you know, it's funny, eh? There's songs that my kids listen to, and then when I start singing to the song, they go, Mom, you don't know the song? I don't know the song. That are songs when I was a teenager. Thank you very much. Anyway, I didn't even do it. My thumbnail. Hey, alright. Thumbnail, here goes. They laugh at me. They're laughing at me. Okay. Here we go. Cute. Okay, thank you guys. Hey, this will be my last video till I come back and then bring some more, but this time from Samoa, okay? From Samoa. G. Yeah, ngala, yeah. Okay, guys, I must put away my shout-out book. Put it over there. I only started a shout-out book because I was thinking, I cannot. Yeah, wait. Anyway, I'm thinking, I cannot remember everyone to shout out. So, even though it's only 4 or 5 people, I cannot remember. Because my brain is going backwards, like, hey, but I can never forget to go on Facebook and be nosy on Facebook. See, I'm telling on myself. Okay, guys, I'm going to leave this. I'll call my son Noah to come and finish it off while I go and pick up my daughter and come back. Okay? We'll see some of my cheeks. My glasses. I look like my mom. Anyway, you guys take care, okay? Kaya alamat makmay SCU waru. So I'll pick my show kama way lo. Ike wa la ku fa u my hand down my little fa bill with if you feel. And then I'll say, don't blame me, blame Geneva. Anyway, guys, cheers, okay? You guys take care, okay? And God bless. Oh, you're still here. Jokes. This is my baby. Come here. And look, she's still got her school uniform on. Yeah, go now. You have to come and clean this all up, please. Okay? You want some? See, this is good, eh? I can get a vacuum after to come and finish this up And this is the vacuum one, number 1, and the other one's in the room playing his Fortnite. Okay, guys? So, say bye. Say bye. Yeah, say sesuatu. Say hi. Welcome back to my channel.
I'm back to Faye Vids.
Yeah, sesuatu. Get him out of my way. Yeah, and laku. Hare atu.
No, you
Hare
go
atu.
you go on the chair. Go by me.
You know I can't. Oh my gosh.
Come on, flexible. Go.
Ah.
Flexible. Come on.
Hey, I can't get up. You wait. Jangan turn it off.
Hi guys, she doesn't know that. Just turned it on. Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Mommy, I turned it on.
Turn off everything.
Bye.
You did a push-off record.